This is a special edition of your Here in Phoenix Friday morning news.
We have late breaking news of the growing crisis in the streets of Phoenix. We're going to take you to Gilbert, Arizona with an update from field correspondent Christine LaVanway.
Crystal LaVanway reporting live for Here in Phoenix Friday morning news. Just out here reporting on this weather disaster. There's water everywhere you look. It's wet. No sign of the sun whatsoever. There's panic in the streets. People don't know what to do. Nobody knows how to operate an umbrella. You cannot find your sweaters. It's a disaster. Hopefully the government will step in and lend assistance in this crisis, this weather crisis here in Phoenix. This is Crystal LaVanway reporting for Here in Phoenix Friday morning news.
Thank you, Christine, for that report.
The U.S. Weather Service reports that rain will continue for the entire day with temperatures plunging to a low of 38 degrees. Tomorrow's temperature may drop to a frigid 34 degrees.
This is a frightening turn of events. Please, folks, stay indoors if at all possible, until this crisis subsides. We will have an update for you during our regular broadcast. This has been a special edition of Here in Phoenix Friday Morning News.